a cradle. Except in this context, the lullaby was a metaphor that was loud, in which sleep symbolized death, as if putting a dog to sleep and because you know how I was hypnotized to draw?
Right.
Well, like, I was not like very too like noticeably right or profoundly, but you know one of the things I was hypnotized to draw was cradles, and you know like to kind of like imagine you know a like a series of cradles on a piece of paper being kind of like a graveyard
Mm-hmm.
because you know in this context it you know could even symbolize like a gravestone. So the lullaby was a metaphor referencing putting a child to sleep like you would put a child to sleep in a cradle, except in this context, the lullaby was a metaphor in which sleep symbolized death, as if putting a dog to sleep. And I could
That's
also
morbid.
say, yeah, it is. And in which a cradle would symbolize a tombstone because they're being put to sleep.
Mm.
Okay, that was long. Do you see what I mean by like the you know the people that did this to me are some of the most um like deplorable and appalling people on the face of the planet. Some of the most dangerous people on the planet because they will go through any lengths just to you know basically get what they want.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and you know like no matter what. or who gets hurt, you know what I mean? Um, so I'm gonna read what I'm writing here because I'm writing this on the that piece of paper that I need it written on. So because I was talking about how the hypnosis was inhibiting me from being able to write it on a single piece of paper, or I mean, sorry about that, completing sentences, you know what I mean? Um, and how I'd have to rewrite things, so I had to use a scratch piece of paper. Sorry about that. Um, so the lullaby was a metaphor referencing putting a child to sleep like you would
Right.
put a child.
Huh?
I'm reading what I'm writing.
Oh,
To
sorry.
sleep. It's okay. In a cradle. Again, thank you though. I appreciate you a lot because I really need your help. Um, in a cradle, except in this context, the lullaby was a metaphor in which sleep symbolized death as if putting a dog to sleep and in which a cradle would symbolize a tombstone because the children would be put to sleep. um, so there's that. This is a page, and this is one page front and back on college line paper. So you can kind of imagine like the video is going to be pretty long, especially with the introduction, and then it's really like disturbing content, but at least like Shonda, I imagine that you'll probably understand what I mean by people actually, you know, because of how serious the subject and the content matter is, people will really have to, I mean, take it seriously, especially because of the fact that, I have video evidence of it.
Right.
And, I mean, it's, I hate having to even, repeat this stuff, you know what I mean? But, somebody has to, deal with the negative things out there in the world, the evil things in the world, or else they can just get away with doing whatever they want. You know what I mean?
Right.
Um, the evil people. So yeah. Anyways, I think I'm gonna try to get some lunch. I'm gonna end the video right now.